Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we unlock the power of AI automations. Today I'm pumped to share an n8n workflow that powers a 100 ads machine for creating batch ad images all triggered from Telegram and stored inside box.com. Whether you're a marketer scaling campaigns, a small business owner generating content fast, or part of our easy mode AI school community, this workflow will supercharge your ad production. In Easy Mode AI, we share builds like this and connect with AI automation builders who come for the content and stay for the incredible network. Let's dive in. We kick off with the Telegram trigger node, which starts the workflow when you send a photo, like a product or character reference, with a caption as your special request. Say, make me an ad for this product with the Chewy logo as watermark. It's perfect for quick, mobile-driven creation, capturing the image and brief on the fly. Next, the SetBot ID node sets your Telegram bot credentials for secure handling. Then, the GetImagePath node retrieves the photo's file path from the Telegram API. The DescribeImage node uses OpenAI's GPT-4o vision model to analyze the image, outputting a YAML with details like brand name, color scheme, font style, or character outfit, determining if it's a product, character, or both, while ignoring the background. This ensures tailored ad prompts. A Tell user work in production Telegram node replies with, "Got it. I'm now creating your request," to keep you in the loop. Then, the Get Rows to Create node pulls batches of rows from a Google Sheet where status is Create, loading data like product, character, ad copy, visual guide, text watermark, and colors for mass processing. These inputs feed into the Split node AI agent node, the workflow's powerhouse, powered by 3 key tools and guided by user and system prompts. The user prompt combines your Telegram special request, like use the Chewy logo as watermark, with the image's YAML analysis and row data like product dog crate, character, golden retriever, ad copy, punchy tagline. The system prompt acts as a creative ad prompt engineer, instructing the agent to craft exactly one structured image prompt in a specific format, integrating elements like product description, character placement, ad copy, visual guide, watermark location, default bottom left, and colors, with smart defaults if missing. The OpenAI chat model, using GPT 4.1, processes these prompts to generate the ad prompt. The Think tool reflects and verifies accuracy, while the structured output parser formats it into a clean JSON with a single image prompt field, avoiding line breaks or extra quotes. The NanoBanana node, a HTTP request to OpenRouter's Gemini 2.5 Flash image preview, generates the actual ad image based on the prompt, using the reference photo and elements like colors and watermark. The setBase node encodes it as base64, convert to file turns it into a downloadable file, and upload a file sends it to storage. In this case we use box.com, where you get 10 gigabytes of free storage space. Finally, update row as done or error marks the Google Sheet rows complete, and Tell user done sends done. I've now uploaded these to your files via Telegram. Why is this a big deal? Marketers can churn out hundreds of customized ads in batches without manual design. Small businesses get scalable, on-brand content on a budget. And for our Easy Mode AI school community, it's a build you can explore, tweak, and improve with fellow automation builders. You come to Easy Mode AI for workflows like this, but you stay for the community of creators pushing AI automation forward. Ready to mass-produce ads or share your own builds? Set this up in n8n, join Easy Mode AI, and let's build your next automations together. Drop your next automation idea in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more AI-powered workflows. Thanks for watching.